Hey, what's up, guys? Go back to Joey's Life. So today on Joey's Life, there's another big snowstorm. Let me just cancel this. Yeah. So you're gonna be like, oh, why are you always vlogging a snowstorm? There's nothing good happening. There's nothing like happening. Just your dad passing the snowboard. Yes, but sometimes things might happen. Like Monday evening, I should have filmed because there was a big snowstorm, and my dad busted his shear pin because the snow was sticky, really sticky, and it got stuck in the chute. And it busted his shear pin, so I should have filmed that, but I didn't want to because it was dark and the GoPro's not good at the dark. I don't want to give her too much work for GoPro. Yeah, not just you're gonna be like, oh, yeah, it's not snowing anymore. Yeah, it's been snowing all day long. Look at this, big Maxi right in the snow. It's not that cool, actually. I like it. Yeah, guys, we're gonna restart the chute with jam. You guys are pretty far. You're in my four-wheeler trail. I'll put you right here. He's gonna shoot this way. I want to show you how far he can shoot. If he even shoots this way, he should. Yeah, that was kind of close, guys. It was close to the GoPro. Look at where it lands. It lands right there. Put you a bit closer, but he can actually shoot far. Is that his chute is not placed too far. I'll leave you here, guys. never shoot in the road because yeah, you're not allowed to do that. So that's why I was saying that. My dad's gonna pass like this because we don't want to go too close. We don't want to go too close because what will happen is that we're gonna fall in the ditch. So my dad's gonna shoot this way, the snow. snow this year, guys. I'll be back. Yeah, I think it's one of the year that we have the most snow. Look at this thing. Look at this pile of snow. You're super close to it. Okay, it might look like you're far, but like you're right. You're almost in it right now. This is a snow pile. Look how high it is. Compared to me, this is high. I'll show you the highest one we have. The highest one would be that one right there. Look, I'll get you out of this case and show you compared to the tripod. Look at this. This is my tripod, and this is the snow pile. This is the tripod. The tripod lands right here. This is the tripod. And this is the snow pile. Look how high this is. It's so high. It's literally higher than me. Look. It's literally higher than me. If I go back farther, now it's like 2 times higher than me. Look at this. See how high this is? Yeah, that's how much snow we got. That's not how much snow we got, but that's all the snowstorms. That's all the snow from the snowstorm that went up there. I have to go clean the deck at the backyard, so you'll come with me, you guys. That won't be long. It will take a few minutes. Oh my dad did the... It's heavy, you guys. For real, like... Oh well. For me, who thought the snow was done for the year, I guess I was wrong. It's not really done. So yeah guys, right now I was just cleaning the deck, so yeah, enjoy this video guys. There was a lot of... So yeah guys, right now my dad is doing my 4-wheel drive. He is cleaning it. I'll make sure to record. So I better go hide. chill out in front of this shed. But he won't be able to like fully turn, but maybe I can make myself turn with the four-wheeler. I'll do tomorrow. I'm gonna film a four-wheeler vlog. So today is gonna be called Big Snowstorm, just Snowstorm 2, number 2. No, it's gonna be called Big Snowstorm number 2. And you know, because the other vlog I did was a snow day. Last winter vlog I did was a snow day. So yeah, make another one. It's gonna be called Big Snowstorm Part 2. Whoa, whoa, whoa. He's in a hill. He's gonna stay stuck. God, at least he stopped. I'll be back with you later. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. So yeah guys, I'll move out because my dad might shoot the snow this way, so I don't want to get hit, so yeah. So yeah guys, this is how much snow gets out of a snowblower chute. And this is how dangerous a snowblower is. I'm just showing you guys. And you know, enjoy this video. strong a snowblower can be, guys. If there's a rock that flies off that chute, that's why sometimes I let the GoPro there, because if it hits, the rock hits the GoPro. Oh well, the GoPro might be broken, the lens might be cracked. Who cares? It's a GoPro. You can replace it. But if it, like I was saying, if a rock hits you, you can literally die, guys, from it, because it's gonna come out of the chute so fast that, yeah, that's why sometimes I just leave the GoPro there. So if it hits the GoPro, who cares? It's GoPro. So this is my dad cleaning his snowblower, guys. I just want to show you, always clean your snowblower, because if there's ice that goes in your snowblower and you start it, it might bust a shear pin. So I'm just saying, guys. Let me take on my hat, because yeah, it will work better without a hat. For real, I'm serious. Let's see where we were at with that thing. It's gonna be cold, whatever. Okay. I need a shovel, the little shovel right there. My dog ate the handle. So yeah, oh. Look at the stairs. The stairs are so full of snow. Yeah, guys, there is so much snow. I don't know why this year it's weird. More snow started coming in, you know? It's weird. Oops. Oh. Stupid GoPro. I hate my head strap. I want a new one, because this is not the one made by GoPro, so it slips off my head easy, and I have to tighten it every stupid time. It's so annoying. Tomorrow we're gonna be doing a 4-wheeler vlog in the snow again. It's gonna be my second 4-wheeler vlog this year. If only we had side-by-side, we could do like side-by-side vlogs. If we would have a side-by-side, my dad would let me drive it. Promise. That's what he said last time. Oh yeah, guys, it's the other day now. I filmed this video Saturday. I wanted to upload it Saturday, but I finished editing it super late. And after that, this morning when I came to upload it, the video was only 7 minutes. I was like, what the hell? So yeah, I'll upload the video today, and today was Sunday, so I'll upload the video today. And the video that I'm gonna film today, I'm gonna upload it tomorrow evening when I'll come back from school. So enjoy this video. I'm just gonna check on my dog. Oh no, wait. Oh, forget what I said. My parents are gone walking with him. Okay, forget what I said. Yeah, enjoy this video, guys. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to all the channels. My second channel, Joey Slow Motion Video. My dad's channel, Chuck and Joe Cooking Show. And Jeff MC, Jack and Joe's channel. Everything, guys. All the links to these channels are in my description down below. So correctly, I'll say it slowly. Press on the title of my video. It will make my description will appear, and all the links are in there. So go subscribe to all of these channels, guys, and see you next one. Peace out. Oh yeah, I'll see you in my 4-hour vlog.